y'all live. I'm running down on everybody because y'all all had the jerk chicken cheesesteak.
Look,
And I need y'all to tell the people how it is.
Listen, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. The edibles, nigga. Yo, edibles, yo. First of all, this chart right here. That man's a chef, man.
Bro, and I got it the gold pack too.
Cheesesteak 10 out of 10, yo. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Jerk chicken cheesesteak?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Oh, he ain't even tried it. This is the mango delight chicken
I
sandwich.
ate the steak one already. This is, you know what I mean, the after party right here.
Jerk chicken cheesesteak?
Oh, you already know.
10 out of 10?
That shit feed two people.
That shit don't even got a minute, bro. That shit.
Okay. All right, y'all. Y'all heard it
That
live
was
in
second
effect.
to none shit right there. That food was second to none.
Fire. Thank you. Appreciate that, boss.